On the Health Watch here at 10, experts said it was just a matter of time, and now the first cases of measles have been confirmed in Cook County this year. Our Jermont Terry spoke to a doctor about what we should know and the possible exposures. Jermont.
Chris, Cook County health leaders are trying to reach out to everyone these two patients came in contact with while they were contagious. And tonight, they've outlined a few known spots that strangers were even exposed. The measles have spread into Cook County. The Department of Health confirms 2 cases from last Friday, April 25th, through Monday, the 28th. One patient came to an ER with symptoms and was quickly isolated.
Kind of flu-like feelings, like I say, a cough or runny nose. And by the time the rash has occurred, they've actually already been infectious to other people for 4 days.
The second patient presented signs of a rash after traveling internationally and returning to O'Hare Airport in early April.
In fact, on one of the dates that they talked about being in O'Hare Terminal 1, I was there. I was traveling to the Centers for Disease Control for a conference all about outbreaks, and including a measles outbreak that had occurred in Cook County last year.
Dr. Mark DeWorkin is the Associate Director of Epidemiology at the University of Chicago School of Public Health. While he was at O'Hare during the time of exposure, he's fully vaccinated. He says those unvaccinated at any of the various places the patient stopped while contagious should take heed to the health alert.
This is not a crisis, but it's certainly the beginning, very likely, of more cases to come.
While measles vaccination is best, DeWorkin adds, if you refuse to get the shots or you have a weakened immune system or underlying condition,
then wearing a mask is a very good idea to reduce the chances.
Now, here's a health fact to consider. Measles is so contagious that if one person has the disease, 90% of the people in close proximity to that person who is not immune will likely catch the disease. That's why the Cook County Health Department offers free measles clinics weekly. Reporting live in the control room, Jermont Terry, CBS News, Chicago. Chris?
Numbers that very much get your attention. Jermont, thanks.